Hello everyone, I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. This week I want to talk about the classic French dish souffle. Souffle dish, it is made from beaten egg whites that are baked together, and it can be either sweet or savory. I think a lot of people think of this as a very epitome of French cooking, and if you want to try something that really will challenge you, they think of the souffle. So I want to talk about how to make a souffle and really 5 things that can help you get great results from making a souffle, so that you don't have a catastrophe where it collapses inside or outside of the oven. So the 5 things to know. The first thing is the all-important thing about making a souffle is incorporating air. That's really what will transform the shape of the souffle and actually help it to rise. So you need to incorporate a lot of air into those egg whites. Don't second step or half step on incorporating air into those egg whites. You want to make sure that you use an electric mixer. This will make your arms so thankful. You won't get tired trying to beat all of that air into the egg whites. An electric mixer will help you a lot, either a hand mixer or a stand mixer, and make sure you incorporate a lot of air into those egg whites. If you don't do this step correctly, then really the whole entire rest of the souffle is going to suffer. So really spend some time on this step. The other thing you can do is use warm egg whites. So the egg whites need to, when they're warmer, they'll do a much better job of allowing the air to be incorporated. They'll get much bigger and fluffier much faster than when you use cold egg whites. The second thing is, while you're making those egg whites into a nice fluffy foam, you want to use a metal bowl. A metal bowl will work much better for this purposes as well. So there are 2 things to do. The next thing is, when you're actually putting the souffle together, there's a couple things you can do to improve the odds of your souffle really rising and holding on to that beautiful shape as it gets bigger. The first thing you want to do is using a nice ceramic dish that has straight sides. That's why when you go out to eat, you'll often see them served like in ramekins for individual portions. Having a nice dish that has straight sides will allow the souffle to go straight up, and you don't have to worry about it leaning and tilting as much, because it has the nice straight sides to follow it and really give it shape as it's rising. The next thing you want to do is give it something that it can hold on to, so it kind of has feet that will help carry it and hold it up as it's going up, and it won't collapse when it comes out of the oven. And the way you can do that is by coating the inside of your dish. So if you're making a savory dish, then you want to use something that will pair nicely with that. I love to use grated Parmesan or breadcrumbs, and you can coat the inside of your dish. You can just use some kind of nonstick spray, and then go ahead and put a layer of the breadcrumbs or the Parmesan. If you're doing a sweet one, you could put the nonstick spray and then sprinkle sugar all over it, coat the inside. That will give your souffle some feet that will help to carry it up as it rises, and it can kind of like hold on like it's rock climbing up the sides of the dish. And the last thing is that you do not want to open the door of the oven as you are cooking your souffle. This is a really key one, because it's so tempting to want to go look inside. Is it rising? Is it doing what it's supposed to do? Just turn the light in, take a look through the window, but don't open it, because you significantly change the heat inside of the oven every single time you open it. So whether you're cooking souffle or anything else in the oven, it's a good idea to open the door as few times and minimally as possible, in order to make sure that you're not changing the temperature inside the oven, because every time you open the door, it changes and reduces the temperature inside of your oven. So it takes food longer to cook and more likely for the souffle to fall. So that is it on souffles. Just want to give you guys one quick update. If you have not seen yet already, this week I just launched the Go Your Own Way challenge. It is my amazing Greece giveaway. Yes, that is right. I'm giving away a getaway to Greece. And so you can find more details on how to participate and enter to win a trip to Greece in the comments down below. You'll be able to find out how you can enter to win a giveaway to Greece. So make sure you check that out and enter to win. I'm super excited to be giving away an awesome trip to Greece, and I want you to enter. So I'll see you soon. Bye.